Welcome to demonstration of Vridhee application. Vridhee is a adapted learning based social learning platform. As you can see in Vridhee, there are five kind of users who can access the application. So we'll start with a learner. If you click learner, this is the login. Once the authentication is done, you can now access the application by putting the right ID password or using the auth. In the registration process is we need to know the preferred language as Vridhee is a multilingual platform. So you need to select the preferred language and your location. So important part in the learning interest, once the learner can select the subjects he wants to learn, and but he also need to provide his current status, what is his target, and within how much month he wants to achieve the target. In the next step, he can put his hobbies, details of hobbies, because we also need to understand the kind of person he is. He can also update his skills and interest, educational details, professional details, if any award or certification he have owned. And at the end, he can also have a network with the people already. For the demonstration purpose, I have logged in through a user which is already registered in the system. In the curriculum dashboard, he can see his progresses, completed, any certification, total learning hour completed, or any Vridhee coin that the user have earned. So in this curriculum, he is currently into this particular chapter. If there is any message from the mentor, that is getting displayed. And you can also see, because we are calling it as a learning platform, which is social learning platform. So you can also see number of his friends who have completed this or under progress, any doubt clearing is there, any activities he need to complete or any collaboration he need to join. Planning, that is the study plan that he need to follow. Once he follows the study plan and completes his learning progress as per the study plan, he also earns some Vridhee coins. So let's now see some other menus in the dashboard. This is the to-do list. Basically, the if the user is going through a process, what are the currently in which chapter topic is getting into it, how much progress has happened. He can also access a library of other content. He can join any of the content. If any various activities are there, like assignments and other things, this if he's already submitted, he can check the results if the result has been published. To go through some doubt clearing sessions. You can go through some collaborations if some collaborators load the subject or curriculum. So let's go to mathematics. So here you can see so here the user can also see a rating, number of students are in use, number of his buddies which are actually currently some of his learning progresses, both study and assignments. He can also collaborate. He can get a request of his collaboration. It will be a leaderboard. So every quarterly, we'll create a leaderboard. So if you explore the first topic, if you get into the topic, you can see the content that we have is video content, e-content. E-content also have multi-level of content as we are in adaptive learning scenarios. So here you can see in video, there's a video to play as we are social learning. So student, if they like it, they can like the video. They can provide some feedback or they can also share this particular content in feed page, the community page. They can also create their own notes. E-contents also, we have various level of e-contents, but one important aspect in our e-content is other than AI generated e-contents, we are also trying to provide some real-time examples for the student. So providing tests, the question banks in multi-layers, we have single answer questions, multi-answer questions, filling the blanks, passage kind, matrix. So student can start a practice test. They can, if they have already went through some tests, the results are shown. They can also join some class tests, challenge from a friend. Let's explore the other part of Vridhee. As we are saying, Vridhee is about 3C, that is curriculum, community, and campus. In community, the learners or the mentors can post any feed, or they can also share any feed or video they went through it. They can create quizzes and share here the mentors. The more people like, they also earn some Vridhee coins. Now explore the last part, that is the campus. So if you click campus here as an option, the learner or a mentor can create a new campus. You just need to click a campus and create his own campus. They can also choose the modules which they need to use in Vridhee. Thanks for the short demonstration.